Hello guys, we're going to learn about reducing fractions. So what is reducing fractions? Reducing fractions is, well, you take a big number and you make it small as you can. And when you get very low and you can't make it any smaller, that's when you get a reduced fraction. Okay, I was going to say. Okay, reducing fractions, you cannot multiply it. You can only divide it. You hear that reducing? Reducing. Reducing means take it smaller. And fraction means, of course, you know what fraction means. The denominator and the numerator, of course. So, reducing fractions is literally, by the name, you just know it. Turning the fraction smaller as you can, right? So, well, if you have more than that information, you can use it in yours, okay? So first of all, get a piece of paper and a pencil and put it in front of you. Now let's see, but first I'll tell you. Well, there's two ways you can reduce fractions. First of all, this way, and second of all, this way. So, let's get started on this one first. Okay, example number 1. So, 4/6, how can you divide it? Well, the easiest way you can divide it or reduce it is you can divide it or reduce. Yes, but the way you first want it, so first of all, you should know this. Whatever happens on the top must happen to the bottom. Otherwise, it's not a reducing fraction. Okay, so, well, you can divide, well, this is in 2's table, and 6 is also in the 2's table, right? So, we found it. 2 is what we divide by. Let's divide. So, you divide this by 2. And if you feel arrows better, then yeah, I'll do arrows. Okay? I'll do arrows. So, divide by what? Yes, 2. So, now, we're just going to draw it to separate the numerator and the denominator. So, well, yes, you can find out the answer easily in this diagram, but let's just ignore this for right now, and let's focus on this, okay? So, now, divided by 2. What is 4 divided by 2? Yes, of course, 2. Okay, now you divide 6 by 2, too. So, well, yes, whatever happens to the top must happen to the bottom. Let's do the arrow. So, now, what is 6 divided by 2 equals 3? Yes. 3. So we have our answer here. Let's write it down here to make it even clearer. Well, what did we just divide it by? 2. Divided by 2. So, 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is If you're following along and you're writing this on a piece of paper, great job. And if you aren't, do it. So, well, you can see this way, but let's just not look at it. So, 2/3, 2. You shade it in 2 parts. There you go, you shaded it in 2 parts. So, do you know why I shaded these? Yes, of course, because the shaded parts go on the top and the equal pieces go on the bottom. Okay, so, second question. Okay, question number 2. So for 10th. So 2 has 4 in its table and 2 also has 10 in its table. So what is our number? Yes, our number is 2. So if you want to use arrows right now, you can do that. Is not pointing. Okay, so divided by 2 and also divided by 2. So keep on writing this. This might help you. So now, well, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So how many parts will we shade? Yes, 2. Yeah, these kind of look similar. Yes, they do. If you take out this line, both of them are equal. So, now, what's our answer? Let's set this question up like we did over here. So, 4 tenths divided by what? What did we divide by? Okay, now let's find out our answer. Yes, we have our answer right here. But 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Remember when I told you that there's 2 ways you can get reducing fractions? Yes, that is true. You can do this way or this way. But we're going to find out these factors, these 2 factors, and then we're going to look for which one is the greatest and which one are the similarists, okay? So now, 4. What are the factors of 4? Of course, 1, yes. 1, 2, and 4. So that's all. 10. Well, we have 1, 2, and 5, and 10. Now we have the factors. Okay, let's find out which one are similar. And similar greatest though. Well, 1, of course. 1, 2, 5, 4, and 10. So you might be like, choose the similarest one and the greatest that is similar. Yes, if you said that, yes. So, 2. So, 2. What are we going to divide it by? 2. Let's divide that. 4, 10. Now we divide it by, let's just make this one. Divide it by what? Yes, we just found it out. 2. And that equals, yep, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5. So if you liked our video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share.